Okay, welcome to video 2 of creating a GitHub repository. In video 1, we created a local repository and we added our source code to it. In video 2, we're going to upload the local repo to GitHub. So we need that local repo that we created in video 1, and we need a GitHub account. So let's go to GitHub, and up at GitHub, we're going to log in, make sure we have an account, and we're going to create a new repo. So here I am up at GitHub. I'm on the home page. I can create a new repo from the browser. I'm going to call it fader test, and I'm going to leave everything default. I don't need a description or README file yet. I can put that in later. Those are definitely good things to do. So I create the repository. It's going to actually, when it does it now, it's going to show me, and it's empty, but it's going to show me how to get to the repository from my command line. So I'm going to use this. Let's go back to our notes. So now on my local machine, I want to tell the local instance of Git that there's a remote repository somewhere that I want to sync with. So that's this command, and you'll see that that URL that I copied from the GitHub page is there. So that's the command that I'm gonna enter, and I'll just paste it. And now, if I do a git remote v, it tells me that it does see this remote repo. Nothing's up there yet, but it can see it. So I want to push what's in my local one up there. So I can do a git push, and master is the name of my repo. You can see it in blue there, was the default. And it doesn't appear to be a Git repository. Oh, git push origin, that's where it's going to, and I'm pushing master up. Sorry about that. So now it's going to prompt me, it didn't prompt me to log in because I've already logged in, but if you have the Git credential manager, another window will come up and say, hey, would you like to log in? You log in with your Git credentials, and then this will be successful. So great. So we're going to stop at step 2 here for this video. So congratulations. Now you have a copy of the video up at the Git, up on GitHub. So if I refresh the repo, we'll see that I see the fader test file, and if I go into it, we can see the actual source code. Okay, next video I'm just going to make a small change, and we're done with all the setups.